Say no to side chick. This is what they will do to your husband. Huh? This one is sweet. You're not gonna rest though. I was sucking. I was sucking dry like this. After they don't suck and finish like this. After they don't suck and finish like this, they will not dump you.
To drink with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Drinks with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube or you did watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you could know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today matter na about side chick. I beg side chick Mona no vex for me because I don't see and say many of them don't they cut chain for me, they don't they vex for Lady T. Mona no vex. The truth, we must talk am. We must talk as they play. You know, we must talk am. So today's story, na about one woman. The woman wey be say he can't cash. You know, say the other one will fair do one video wey cash his husband for his husband side chick for one big supermarket. That one, and this one again, the same thing that happen. This thing don't. It be like say all the married women, all of them don't provoke. They come out. But they don't want wetin happen for fowl house. Make it happen for goat house again. That's why you say that they provoke, because nobody want leave your husband after you don't born many children finish. Your God don't hold finish. Where you want go? The person where you want go meet, not be another person home. Now this one now where people they reason now. You know, before our women they not agree. They'll just say I better make it go now, yeah now this. But now that's why you see when I say fight for your husband. You fight for your husband because this life alone self, you they fight for life. Everything we do in this life is fighting. If you dey do business now fighting, you dey go school now fighting, but you dey fight in another way, not be that physical fight say na blow. You dey fight in another way. If you are a student, when you dey study because you want pass, that one na fighting now. You dey for life, you dey take care of yourself so that you go fit live long. That one not be fighting. You get husband side chick one Colombian for your hand, you tell the side chick say leave my husband. That one not be fighting. What did this woman do? Me I not feel loud and I know now. I say I will do one. I did do one, not they lie. You know, everybody get right to his own opinion. You feel talk, say you not feel do one. Fine. If you not feel still do one, a good thing, not be bad thing. But me, when sit down for year, I go do one. If I say my husband side chick, I know we'll fight some, but I must we'll go talk on. Then we feel video anywhere in one land may land. You understand? Because for you to get and say now my home, you don't do many sacrifice. You don't be a patient rich. You don't be a make sure say this man become somebody today. Then one person go just come be your husband. You can say go. Many people don't make the mistake. Even some women after I do that video, they call me. They say, "Hey, like I said, social media dey like this that time." They not believe say they for lose their husband. They for not leave their husband. So this is our time. So we not go leave our husband for side chick. Side chick, Mona no vex. Mona no vex. Now the matter they play. I know say that the men they come meet sooner. I know Mona no vex. That's why this woman, when he attack this woman, a very good woman. You see, you even see bottle around her. He not carry bottle, say me he break bottle. He just they push and they clap and follow her hand and so he good like that. You they clap and that one good. They'll say you be market to my dear. You they fight for what it belongs to you. You they fight for what it belongs to you because tell ourselves the truth. I don't feel you sit down say my husband side chick be say my husband know they stay as every time they waka. You know that my husband tell her truth. You know whether he tell her truth saying he get wife or he not get wife. So you now you can't see the woman. He go tell you say me I will not dare girl now because of the children. I just they go see him. And the side chick go come see you. You not talk. You waka pass. He go tell say na true the man they talk. He go say na true they not there again. But when you go tell her say we dey na my husband. He go come know that girl go shocking. That girl when you they see so. If you see that man say they come away again, he go beg Josie. He go beg Josie. You know. So it good maybe say you fight for what you get. Don't let anybody take your husband for your hands. Except say you not love that man. If you love your husband, you not will let somebody take him for your hand. Anyhow it be, a man and man. They know they see small man. They know they see small husband, whether he tall, whether he short, whether he fat, whether he slim, whether he black, whether he yellow, man and man. So say no. You understand? I know saying a disgraceful something to come see you, they clap on social media. Hey, now yo, they say we not wrong about asking me. Now what you get for one? Now you they drag. Because if you don't leave you won't go they fine. How you want fine? How long you want to fine? You understand? So the girl just they use shame, they go, the girl no make peke. E not talk because she know what she dey do. You know many women when be say they get emotional torture for her. Imagine this kind of girl when slim, when just be like it don't be like this, when slim like this. So she fine. This kind of girl now come call up be person husband. Hey, you see this woman now, she be horrible like me because you know say person don't dey born, person don't feel say the husband has, especially if you get that tendency say you be horrible. Even though say you diet, you don't go fit. That fat will still come out for your body. You still look that fat, no matter how you diet. Except say you be that slim type. There are some women they be that slim type. They just slim finish. Even though say they eat heaven and heads, they know they pass as they be. Why some water? Now so maybe water, ordinary water. I don't fat because now my tendency say me. I be horrible person. You understand? So I'm not going to use say because say me side chick not call be my husband, me I can't dry like burger fish. Because I don't try when I try to slim down. Like dear, if you see me, you go run. No. When I can't try to slim down, my face can't be how are you? If you see my face can't, you know, somebody when be say you get that kind of thing, when you can't slim down, your face can't. I can't be like Mama Madu. Mama Amadu, not be even Mama Amadu, grandmama. I can't be like grandmama. My face not fresh. I try my best to slim down the thing come sila. Now I say no, now this kind of person, the best say everybody must not slim now. Horrible must dey now. So everybody not feel slim. The how you take package yourself now important. If you be that kind of fat person, you know what you go wear when you say you go dey okay for you. You use no. If they wear spaghetti, you wear macaroni abi na obuluku or yegbe. You wear am. So for that or yegbe, you make sure you do am to be a stylish one. So say people when even slim, say when they will see you, they'll say this babe, this woman correct. So that's why say you get body like this. You know how to dress. You know. That is the most important thing. How you take package yourself, that be the important thing. You package yourself. So side chick, I beg. Men, they say men, not they. Me just tire. Men wey fool my hookup self. Only say that they select. You go give them this one, don't say no, na company man. You go give them this one, don't say no, see his shoe. You know, sabi dress. You go use your hand repair am. They say men, not the men. Men dey. Men just dey. Because many men, and men even come many pass for the hookup. If men know the women supposed to many pass, but our women, they no want, they'll say they don't get documents. They know they work. They know they do this one. You know, go take one, make you use your hand to repair am. And for you so that you get rest of mind. At least now your own that they can't take, you go they fight. Now see somebody go fight you, say they can't take you. It better pass. I know say this are all this our papa there, all this our men, they know they talk truth. We know say they know they talk the truth. Because if they go meet the woman, tell the woman, say, my wife, I love my wife so much, the woman, you not go agree. Which woman go agree? Which side chick go agree? They not go agree. But our side chick, you need to calculate. Once you don't know say the man a married man, just live on, find your own. I know say son, now because of the money, some now because of the money they just want to get that money, make they say do what they want to. But remember, say you go reach your turn tomorrow you go reach your turn. Now so somebody go say do you go they say manage. But side chick, you go they carry bundle if they go give a side chick for her side. You go they say may wife manage. Because no side chick go gree follow married man when be say you don't get money. They know they love them. They know they love them. They are on the money. Maybe they just say get what they want at that time. So say no to side chick, because if the man, some men now, they sabi do one kind of mumu love. When be say once they don't see her like this, hell, they don't begin they pack all everything when they get. They forget say they'll save for the rainy days. They forget say they'll save for their family for house. They will pack all their money. They will come build house, buy car. They not buy for their wife, but they go buy car for side chick. And all these side chick, no, they don't really get what they want to do with the men. They are want to suck them like this orange. After they don't suck, they finish. They go throw away the pea. They go throw away. They go suck. They see the way that I take suck this orange. Now so they'll take suck them. They will suck them. So safe, so side chick. So side chick, not go there. Not go there. They go know what they do. This orange, they go suck and they go even want wallow everything come out. Make sure say, they finish everything. Wallow everything come out. They'll dump the man. If they don't dump the man, and that's why the man will come realize, say, oh, first wife now, wife, oh, first wife now, this, so they come back. The woman go say, no, go grey again. Family will come, they beg. Friends go come, they beg. I beg now, take her now your husband now, take her now your husband now, you don't born for her now. Now today the woman will come, say, okay, because of the children, make I take back. Make you take back. They don't suck her like orange to way finish. Now you want to start from the scratch again. Oh, what you now work for? Side chick don't carry a Colombian for no. Even if say you know they work, you be ass wife, you know they work. Your husband and they do the work. You know, good man carry all his savings they give side chick. Because you know they work, but you they work for house. House work now very strong work wey not easy to take care of the children. This person that the man they bring the money they come. You go to for outside. No service, nothing. Now your money is still throw away be that, eh? Now your money is still throw away, even though say not be your own personal money, say not the man personal money. Now two, now go say feel the pains because when the money not there again, now you go say follow and start from the scratch. Now you go follow and manage. You go they follow and they manage, make for fit save, make for fit do something. Then one side she go, you just come carry all the money when I don't go couple for one place. Nobody go take that one. So my people. Now the message where I get today. So for the side chick, please, may full outside. May we never even marry, when they single men, they full outside. Just take one, maintain that to your taste. And for the men, when I know they deceive the side chick, they tell they say, now so na no love una wife na this, una wife na that. At the end, una love una wife, because una way see they go meet that side chick. Not be so una love that side chick. Now that 2 minutes or 3 minutes enjoyment, now they pursue now they go. Because when I want that one will be saying you stand like a orange. That kind of one I want. When be saying my wife don't born and maybe don't now they find orange always stand kakaraka. Now go manage it to not get. But I know they deceive our young guests again. Because if not still go meet them, they not go even consider the one come follow. Now they not come knock for your door, say, hey, oh God, forget your wife, I like you. No side chick go do one. But the side chick they can say no. You investigate if the man really married. You understand? And we women, when we say we marry, we see they use our hand, they take care of our husband. Most they show our husband love. There are some women, if their husband want come meet, they say, oh yeah, bring up a condo. Say, I bet they don't tire. Today you tire, tomorrow you tire, next tomorrow you tire. Hey, the man go outside, go find now. You go outside, go find. So don't they tell your husband, say you tire. Take care of your husband. Show your husband love. Show her love. Even if say some they'll feel love their husband, but when they don't marry them, the love not there again. You go try to build that love. You go try to build that because now they be your home. You not get another place. As far as say you don't marry you don't born for her. Try to build that love. Anything they do, you not like. Try to arrange them. You understand? Not be say your husband will say, come, oh yeah, come in, enter paradise. You say no, you tired. You know the great giver, you they starve with this thing. Bible say anytime he call you, answer him. Even though say now 2 times he call you, answer am. But now what you understand? If except say you dey flower, you know say you dey flower, or maybe you dey into faith, that is fasting. You will make her understand. Even Bible say make the man understand. But if the man insist say he wants to do make it do. But I don't know whether that place correct. So for God, and say let it not be saying there for Bible. I don't know whether that place correct. But I know say Bible say anytime your husband call you, answer am. You understand, my people? So we women most they do well for us, more not they pursue our husband put for outside. So women the way that they do for ourselves, they no go gree cook, they no go ask their husband wetin want. It's still good more they take care of our man. That's why if you they take care of your husband, you see say if they go after side chick, even though say you not do anything, something must happen now. Because God when dey for help, don't see how you take the try to make that marriage to work, how you don't show that man love upon no he still dey outside. Now nemesis go come knock for the man door now without being told. So far your own, just do your own part well. So make this video not too long. What do you think about this my topic of today, about this woman wey be say he attack this side chick for store or supermarket or so? What do you think? The woman really do well as he do? And for me now, my own mind I can't talk well. You talk your own. If na you go do or you not go do. If na you be the side chick, what you go do? You go attack back, or as this girl just quiet suffering waka and you e good? As the woman attack this side chick, so e good? What do you think? Or na the man you want blame? Say why the man go even meet the side chick at the first place? What do you think? If na you go take this kind of action. Me don already talk and say if na me I go do am. I don't talk my own for here. If na me, I no fit see my husband side chick, I go waka pass. No, I no go do am. I don't lie you. Me I no call you come do like say I want pretend. I no lie. I no go waka pass. I go much tell and say see, but I no go fight am. I know my video CNF they carry us anywhere we go. If you not really leave my husband alone, maybe by the time I do the system for social media every time, you go lock up. You understand? So what do you think? If now you go do this thing when this woman do so, or you go talk to your husband for house? What do you do? What do you do? Like me now, not be saying no sit definitely I must talk to my husband for house. I'll just quiet. No, I don't feel quiet now. We go deal for a house. But that side chick, I don't go let her walk past me. I'll just quiet. No, I don't feel go there in silence now. I must pour out my heart. Make the side chick understand. Say this man, when you see so, he get children, get wife. I beg, remove your hand. I will make her understand. So I'll stop this video for you. Just write to say your opinion there and what you think about this video. If now you, what you go do? Or you be mad, your wife do this kind of thing for public. What you go do? You go just say, oh yeah, come on for my house. What you go do too? So thank you so much. I'll stop this video for you. God bless you. Please, if you are just watching me and you have not subscribed, please just hit that red button there. Click the notification bell so you go know anytime I put video for you. Thank you, and please share this video. Don't be stingy with this video. Share this video to your friends, to everybody. In this our channel, we always say talk story, and the story we dey talk, we not just dey here to talk story. We dey here to talk story that will touch life, that will change life. So always be with us in this channel so that you go to hear the cocoa when they happen for area. Thank you so much, and don't forget to put down your like finger. That hand when you put that like finger up forever for you, backward never for you. And please don't forget again to share this video. Please share this video to your friends, everybody. Thank you so much. If I use any word when be say no good for this my video, because now when my sense reach I talk reach, throw away the word, take me enter house. That's why I'm your sister, I'm your friend, I'm your girl, I'm your pikin, I'm your mama also. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Ciao, love you guys.
There is anything that is bothering you, my friend. Please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.